Ever wondered if those intricate charts and real-time data on TradingView could actually be your gateway to real-world trading profits? You see all those lines, indicators, and potential setups, and it's natural to ask, can I actually execute trades right here? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. TradingView has become the go-to platform for millions of traders worldwide. Its powerful charting tools, vibrant social community, and access to a vast array of financial data are undeniably impressive. You can analyze stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and more, all within a sleek and user-friendly interface. You can backtest strategies, share ideas, and learn from other traders. It truly feels like a comprehensive trading hub. But when it comes to actually putting your capital at risk and executing those carefully planned trades, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. TradingView itself is primarily a charting and analysis platform. Think of it as your state-of-the-art cockpit, providing you with all the vital information you need to navigate the financial markets. However, the actual act of flying, placing buy and sell orders, typically requires a separate connection to a brokerage account. Now, here's where things get interesting. Recognizing the demand for seamless trading integration, TradingView has partnered with a growing number of brokers. This means that if you have an account with one of these integrated brokers, you can indeed execute real trades directly from the TradingView platform. Imagine analyzing a potential breakout on a stock chart and then, with a few clicks, placing your buy order without ever having to leave the TradingView environment. This integration streamlines the trading process significantly, saving you time and potentially allowing you to react more quickly to market movements. The list of integrated brokers is constantly expanding, so it's worth checking if your preferred broker is already on board or might be in the future. These integrations typically allow you to view your account balance, open and close positions, set stop loss and take profit orders, and manage your trades, all within the familiar TradingView interface. It's a powerful combination of analysis and execution. However, it's crucial to understand that not all brokers are integrated with TradingView. If your broker isn't on the list, you'll still need to use their native platform or a separate trading terminal to execute your trades based on the analysis you conduct on TradingView. This isn't necessarily a disadvantage, as many brokers offer their own robust trading platforms with unique features. It simply means that the workflow involves switching between TradingView for analysis and your broker's platform for execution. Furthermore, it's important to remember that even with integrated brokers, the responsibility for your trading decisions lies entirely with you. TradingView provides the tools and the connection, but it doesn't offer financial advice or guarantee profits. Real trading involves risk, and it's essential to have a solid trading strategy and manage your capital responsibly, regardless of the platform you use for execution. So, to circle back to our initial question, can we do real trading in TradingView? The answer is a conditional yes. If your broker is integrated with TradingView, then absolutely, you can execute live trades directly from the platform. If not, TradingView remains an invaluable tool for analysis, but you'll need to use a separate platform for trade execution. Ultimately, TradingView empowers traders with powerful analytical capabilities, and the growing list of broker integrations is making the entire trading process more convenient than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.